Hello, my name is Mandlekar. I am 19 years old and I'm from India. I am doing the Diplôme de Pâtisserie with Internship Pathway and Diplôme de Boulangerie at Le Cordon Bleu, Paris. Living in Paris has been quite adventurous and fun at the same time. Paris has a lot of wonderful neighborhoods. One of them is Montmartre. The streets of this neighborhood are lined with pretty flowers that you can just walk around and explore and end up at Sacré-Cœur, from where you get the most beautiful view of Paris. I feel like there are a lot of things that one can do in Paris. One of my favorites or go-tos is just go to a good cafe, grab a coffee with my friends and have a great time in a park. Being a student here at Le Cordon Bleu has been amazing so far. It has been my dream for quite a few years now. I got to know about Le Cordon Bleu when I was about 12 years old. It was through one of our family friends and she suggested me this institute for specialized courses in pastry, cooking and baking. When I first entered the school, I saw how modern and high-tech it is. After taking a tour of the demonstration and practical rooms, it was an assurance that I will be able to learn everything to the fullest over and above with the well-equipped classes. At this institute, we have demonstration classes and practical classes. For today's practical, we were making decorations out of pastillage. Pastillage is basically a sugar dough similar to fondant. We started by softening it up, then rolled it out, and then we used cookie cutters to cut out flowers, which we textured. Similarly, we made some leaves and butterflies. We dried it out in the oven and then just stuck them together with some melted isomalt and prepared the final presentation for our chef. Coming to Le Cordon Bleu Paris for my studies in pastry was probably the best decision I have ever made. If you guys are also fascinated or interested by the culinary arts, please do come here for your studies and I'm pretty sure that you will have the time of your life.